You are a guard on the walls of the Jin dynasty capital. The year is 1215. For months, the earth itself has trembled. Now, on the northern plains, a horizon that should be empty is moving. It ripples, a dark tide swallowing the steppe. This isn't an army, it's a force of nature. They call themselves the Mongols. Their leader is Temujin, now Genghis Khan, the universal ruler, and his gaze is fixed on the wealth of China. On one side, the Mongol world. Life is the horse, the bow, the endless punishing sky. Your wealth is in the herds you drive, the grass you claim, the loyalty you command. Your god is Tengri, the eternal blue heaven, and his law is simple. The strong eat, the weak are eaten. Your army is not something you build, it is something you are. From the time you can walk, you are tied to a saddle. You can sleep riding, you can eat riding, you can shoot a squirrel from a full gallop at 50 paces. You drink the blood of your horse to survive. War is not an event, it is the weather. And you look south, past the murmuring of traders, past the lies of envoys. You hear stories of a land that drips with wealth, cities of stone that scrape the clouds, rivers of wine, men who wear silk and write poems on the backs of butterflies. They are soft. They have forgotten the sky. They have built a great stone snake across the mountains to keep you out. They call it a wall. You call it a challenge. On the other side, the Middle Kingdom, the Jin dynasty. They are not weak. They are conquerors themselves. Jurchen warriors from the north who took China and became Chinese. They rule from Zhongdu, a city of 1 million souls. Their walls are 40 feet high and 20 feet thick. Their armies are vast, their armor glittering, their bureaucracy a machine that has lasted 1,000 years. They believe in order, in the mandate of heaven. They see the steppe as a place of howling ghosts and childish barbarians, a nuisance for border generals, a problem of diplomacy and tribute. They are civilized, and they're about to learn what civilization is worth. It starts with an insult. The Tangut king of Western Xia refuses to send troops. To Genghis, an oath broken is a world out of balance. In 1209, the Mongols come not to raid, but to erase. They do not charge the Xia fortresses, they drown them. They bend rivers from their courses, turning mighty walls into mud. They offer a simple choice to defenders: open the gates, or we will drink from your skulls. The Xia fall. It is a test, a rehearsal. Then, in 1211, Genghis turns his face to the Jin. The Great Wall is not a line to him, it is a list of places to break.